Yeah, for sure, and the pace was quite fast in the beginning, especially the first 10 Ks. I think a lot of the internationals thought it was a marathon championship, so there was a lot of dicing, a lot of argy-bargy and rotation of the diamonds, but yeah, eventually it thinned down to four of us, Brendan Rice from Australia, Adrian Boris from Hungary, and myself and Simon from Kaysen. And yeah, we had a great paddle, strong. The four of us were really working well together all the way past Herman. Managed to get the hot spot, which I was stoked about, and then yeah, we were thoroughly enjoying what the Berg's all about. At the same time we're still racing, but the conditions are beautiful. The water's a bit low, but it makes it interesting. And then the pace started heating up in the last 5-6 Ks. But yeah, I managed to stay in front and take the stage win. But yeah, still a lot of paddling to go the next 3 days.
I haven't seen results overall yet, but I think I had a good day. Nothing really to complain about, I think, except for not being able to get out of our boat until 63 Ks or 60 odd Ks. I think it was nice to have some warm weather, and it just got a little bit hot at the end, but luckily I had enough juice to maintain until the end. We have a good field this year, it's amazing. Going in tomorrow, we have trees tomorrow. There's always something that's going to happen between you, a guy, or the girls, or tree. You can plan your entire race in your head, and you get around a corner and there's something different.
With your leading woman. Now the interesting thing happens is